This is a plastic wall. FRP, basically.
FRP.
Yeah.
It's thin. It's kind of cool.
It's Plastitex. It's a new technology.
Yeah.
Polywall.
And so if we get something on this, we can wipe it right off.
It's waterproof.
Waterproof.
Because then we have, like, you know.
Basically, it's us proof. We won't jack it up.
Yes.
Let's don't
Brandy proof? It doesn't say that. I don't think it can do it.
If it gets a rubber mark on it, we can wipe it off.
Yeah.
I guess if the rubber mark's too bad, we can replace it. Whatever.
Yeah, it's not even that expensive. We're not going to replace it.
And then we got some end caps.
It'll become that thing everybody signs it.
And it's got some end cap stuff. Let's come in here. Let's show them how the end cap
Okay,
stuff
so
works.
the end caps.
This is a pre-install test.
Yeah, we're going to test it out. So what you're going to want to do, because you're going to want to put this on before you put your panel on the wall anyway, sir. You're going to go ahead and get this fitted on there. This would be an end cap. Hence, I'm attaching it to the
Actually,
end.
the instructions said put the panel on the wall, leave, and don't put the glue all the way to the end, and then slide these on.
I didn't hear that part.
YouTube said.
I thought it said put the end caps on
Oh,
before
that's,
you put it
yeah.
on the wall.
There you go.
There you go. It's on. Hey! We're ready. Let's ride. And I should be. I'm a contractor. I am right now.
All right, let's go get the glue
Okay.
and get out of here and get this done.
Or
Okay, what are we
FRP.
looking for?
I'm looking for some liquid nails, FRP 310, or possibly some tile tight or whatever it's called. And otherwise, I'm gonna try to have to find this friggin' whatever that stuff says, the other stuff.
I feel like we should be able to find the liquid nails.
I think so too. So I'm looking for that, and I'm in the wrong section right now because this
Yeah.
is not it. It's back over with the liquid nails.
It's not one of these, is it? No.
It is no, it's not.
There's a lot of
We
empty
got a
shelves.
PL 500 landscape.
Are we still doing this?
375.
Liquid nails, a lot of liquid
Projects,
nails.
interior projects, okay. Construction adhesive, subfloor heavy duty. Is this a 310? All weather.
So
400. I need a 310. I'm at 310. Although that speed
310.
drip. White lightning. Oh, doesn't say white lightning.
310.
But I like
Come on,
it.
310.
But 400 seems better than 310, doesn't it? 500.
No.
Okay, heavy duty.
I don't think
Heavy
it
duty. What I think is that it's gonna be right.
We're trying to actually use what they recommend. We never do that.
We can't do it. Okay, let me see.
All right. Well, let's look at let's look what it says again and see what the other alternatives are.
Okay. It said.
All right. We're gonna figure this out. With our luck, we will grab something. We will grab something that
Be wrong.
is. So we're looking at different glues. Like, oh, maybe we'll just do this stuff. But with our luck, we'll grab something that won't stick. Will eat the plastic. Who knows?
It'll eat through the wall of the
But we do need
all of a sudden they're flipping.
Right, but we do need a trowel. We need a cheap
Cheap.
down here.
And it said an 1/8" trowel. Okay, let's see. Look at someone stole the hook knife we needed. Thanks, guys.
Oh, we do need that. Down here, in the bottom.
Oh, okay. So we are on a 1/4 inch and a 3/16.
I think they're looking for Joaquin. What size do we need?
I don't remember what it said.
Okay, so we semi gave up here, right?
Yeah. Well,
done.
no, we didn't
I'm
really give up.
tired.
I'm tired.
It's over. I'm over it.
We
I'm
can't.
over it. We just, this weekend was not the weekend for a project, but we will finish this and it will be in this video.
Yeah.
We got this stuff though. And as soon as we can find the rest of the stuff, we can actually
We're
finish
ordering
it.
it from Amazon.
There you go. Bam.
Boom. So no video left on that. Just who wants to watch us order stuff on Amazon?
Yeah, no, nothing in stock here.
Nothing to see here, folks.
All right, I'll be right.
Can you tell me what you're doing out here?
We're gonna put, we're gonna cover the second in this up.
Ew.
So what I've done so far is I ripped off this piece.
Oh yeah, that piece. Ugh. I hated that piece more than any piece.
Well, yeah, because it kind of just dead ends.
Oh, that reminds me. Look at that. What? We don't know how long we'll be
What I'm
on.
doing now is so that the handles go on flush. Just kind of dealing with any issues here. Some of that is some glue on this wall,
Oh.
which is a mess.
I'll have you know that I basically am a contractor at this point.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll talk about that later, yeah? Okay. So order of operations. We gotta install, are we doing a bottom trim piece or no?
I'm not sure.
I think if we're not, I mean, if we are, it has to go on first.
Oh. All right, so we're cleaning this side off. This is the side that gets the glue. Moving it around, we got some dirt on it.
Yeah, something happened.
Well, we'll show you in a minute what's going on. We're doing some prep right now. Had to make a bigger mess before we can fix the mess. But had to get some glue off of here that was sticking out. Then I'll knock those edges off. There was a screw I got out of there. I took that. I think we showed you that. We took that edging off the bottom. Took off the vent cover. So we're gonna get this piece in first. Just because we don't know what we're doing, and we're gonna have to cut some. We're gonna have to cut these guys out at the outlets. So that is where we're going next. So as soon as we get this cleaned off, that's the glue side. Then we'll flip it over so it can't get dirty.
Okay. So
we'll mark it and we'll cut our piece.
Yeah.
And see what happens.
So what's gonna happen is awesomeness.
That's right. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is the right way to do it or not.
It's our way.
But I'm gonna do it this way. So if we're wrong, go ahead and comment below. I mean, it'll already be done, but that's okay.
I'm on record and say this. I feel like it is the right way for us. Right?
It's the right way for right now.
That's all that matters.
So
what are you doing?
I'm gonna have you confirm real quick.
Oh God.
26 3/4.
Okay, let me hold that right there.
No, I don't need you to hold it. Just confirm that.
26 3/4. Yes.
How about here?
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and score this.
Oh God.
Along this line.
Okay.
Except that I lost the knife.
Okay. Well, hang on. Pause. Although I shouldn't be trusted, you should open it yourself. It's that. Yeah. No, the little. Oh God. You know, I'm just real gun shy about those.
Yeah.
You know why?
All right. Here we go.
Here we go.
Let's swap this blade.
No, that blade is really sharp.
I'm gonna swap it for the end that hasn't been used though.
Huh, smart guy. I don't know why I ever question you. I apologize. Guys, I apologize, so don't call me out. I apologize.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
We're just going to score this because I think we break it off.
Yeah, you score and then you bend, I think. Right?
We're going to find out.
You
We
say.
don't know.
You say. Just do a pretty good groove and then... Groovy.
Uh-oh, there's a weld right there.
How'd that get there? Huh?
Exactly.
Okay. Careful not to cut all the way through because the other one's underneath and not lined up.
Yeah, I'm not even close, I don't think.
I'm the naggy wife that instructs you on what to do when I don't know what I'm doing most of the time. I'll call myself out so you don't need to do it.
I'm going to move this up and...
Measure and score.
I already have lines here. So.
Oh, you're right. Oh, of course you do. It's my guy. See those little lines marked all the way up? Yep, little red dots. Because we used that crayon, whatever it's called. There's that thumb injury from last time.
Oh, it just moved. Again, we don't know.
You know what?
So if you're
not knowing is half of the battle.
Yeah, so if you're questioning if we know what we're
or
doing,
most of the battle.
Okay, we'll be right back. I need 2 hands.
Okay. Is it scored?
I think it is.
I feel like it looks like it. Look, if that's not a score, tell me what is. Don't tell me because I don't know. It says been. Let me move this stuff off of it. Like that is how I want to move it. Yes. Okay, bend. Careful. A little bit. Bend. Oh, I see.
Yeah. I can see the
Oh, yeah, you scored it all right. Now maybe flip it. Or do you need me to hold the other side? Here, I'll hold this up.
Yeah.
There you go. Now it's easier.
table. This would be much, much easier.
We like to do it the hard way, though, right?
On a
I mean,
table.
anyone could do it the easy way. Dumb, boring video, boring video. Oh, look at it. We got it. We laid it on the table. We cut it. It's done. It's perfect. Come on. That's not us.
All right.
Something's got to go wrong.
All right. Move that tape. Move all that stuff. I got this.
Moved it. Oh, yeah. You scored that. Score.
So hopefully our measurement was correct.
If not, we'll sand it down.
Pretty straight.
And then bend it the other way. Is that what we do? Yeah. Flip it over.
I did not read the directions.
Yeah, I did. Flip it over and bend it the other way. I'm the direction reader. You're the doer. Oh. I thought you were going to lay it down. Sorry. Score to make scorer. He scores the wallboard. Ba-dum-bum. Okay. Yeah, it said if you just keep doing that a couple times, bada bing, bada boom, broken. With a pretty clean line that you can, I brought sandpaper because it said if there's a rough edge and you want to sand it, you can, but we're going to hide it.
Yeah, we're going to hide it.
We don't sand stuff. Oh, yeah, I can see it breaking. Okay.
I think I might cut it from here.
Okay, let's lay it down then.
No, I might cut it over here. Here, I'll hold this. Grab the knife for me.
Okay. Danger zone. This is not what it said to do, but this is what we do. I feel like this makes more sense.
Why.
I don't, because the people like to have a thing.
All right, I got this.
Yay! We're going to fit it. Bye. Okay, here's the test. Let's see what this guy knows how to do. Did he measure it right? Ba, ba, ba.
I hope so.
Oh, you did. Dude, you did.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now we got to cut those plug cutouts.
This will cut that. We're going to deal with a few more imperfections there.
Yeah, we'll sand it down, but we have a corner. Oh. Hold that up there.
No, I mean in the wall, not.
Oh, yeah. I think it looks pretty good, and I'm going to bring my rolling pin out to roll over it to smooth it out once we get the stuff on.
We'll have to cut this trim. I think it's going to be good.
I think it's going to be great, man. Good job. Okay, we got to cut those out. Be back.